Alright, now we have the padding laid back down. Now the padding they sent with the new rubber flooring wasn't big enough to cover the entire truck. It was actually about half the size that it needed to be. So what I decided to do is I took the old padding off the back of the carpet. I cleaned it really well, I sterilized it, and I sprayed it down with a good bleach spray, and then I left it out in the sun to dry for about an hour and a half until it was dry. Dried pretty quickly. Now I put the old padding back in, and then I used the new padding that they sent me to fill some of the gaps that would need to be filled. Alright, we're ready to get the flooring put down. Now the flooring comes much larger than it needs to be, and it comes uncut. So what I've done is rolled it up from front to back and then put it down in here. And we're going to make sure we get all the contours lined up, all the places where it needs to go in, and then we'll start making the trimming and cutting out holes. Alright, I've got the contours lined up about where they need to be, so what I'm going to do is start in the back and start cutting out the relief holes for the bolts, the wiring, anything else that needs to be cut out. And now that I've got all the holes cut out and the kick plates put back in, we have a finished installed floor. Now up here in the front, it's still kind of bowed up a little bit. It's gotten a lot cooler, looks like it's about to come up a storm, and so yeah, the material wasn't very pliable. I'm hoping that in the next couple of days, as it sits in the sun, it gets hot, it'll kind of settle down a little bit. Thank y'all for watching with us today. It was definitely a struggle. Put in a lot of work into it. I'm pretty tired. I think I'm gonna throw the driver's seat back in here and go get some Chick-fil-A. Now, if you enjoyed this and you'd like to see more series and more videos like this, please give us a like and subscribe. Until next time, always be honing your craft.